Hey, come and watch me grill some burgers on my Coleman grill. We're going to test the grease factor. If it does remove all that fat, reducing flare-ups, let's give it a shot. We are testing Wagyu burgers. Let's see how much fat comes off these guys. So the great thing about the Coleman barbecue is it's got double grates, one on top and one underneath, and it's got a special channel that directs the fat down to the front. And so the idea is the fat is drained down and collected into this cup, which makes it very easy to clean. Let's start cracking with these burgers. Here we go, guys, the Wagyu burger. Another one. Another one. I'm going to do some lean burgers too. Always good to have a flipper. Got a fair bit of grease coming off those Wagyu burgers. Of course, the grease is falling into this cup. There's a fair bit of grease coming in now. You can see the fat draining. There is fat running down those channels. We're collecting a fair bit of fat juice in there. Wagyu burgers. You got channels in the grill and the fat comes down. It collects into this channel here, which runs into a cup. These are lean beef burgers. This one, that's a lean beef burger. I think we're done. Check out how much grease. Hope you enjoyed the Coleman barbecue and its draining system. It removes 75% of the fat, so you won't get as much flare-ups or smoke from that fat dripping inside onto the burners. Leave a comment, tell us if you liked it. Thanks so much for watching.